After pie and cherry wine, life slowed down for a moment. Then morning came and I crowded something loud and cheesy. That's how balance is born. Evening cherry and warm, day golden and stretchy. Today we're making a hot dog that feels like it was made for people who can't sit still. Cheesy, corny, filling is a morning version of pleasure. You will need 6 hot dog buns, 6 sausages, 1 red onion, 2 pickles, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, mustard to taste, 1 can of corn, 200 grams melted cheddar cheese, 1–2 tablespoons heavy cream. The hot dog is a symbol of street food. Actually didn't start on the streets. It was created by German butchers back in the 19th century. They put sausages into soft rolls to avoid burning their hands and call it Deutschland sausage. America just gave the idea its power. How to cook? Fry the sausages until golden brown, around 180 degrees. Sauce: chop red onion and pickles, mix with mayo, ketchup and mustard. It's the fat plus acid plus sweetness formula that balance flavor. In a pan, melt cheddar with corn, add a bit of cream to make the sauce stretchy, not rubbery. What does cheddar melt so perfectly? Because it contains casein, a milk protein that forms an elastic network then heated. The fatter and younger the cheesy, the smoother it melts. And when you add cream, the milk fat helps distribute heat evenly so it doesn't split. The perfect melting temperature for cheddar is around 65–70 degrees. That's when it turns into a liquid cold, not a lump. The corn gives crunch and texture contrast. That's the crunch against melt principle chefs use to make food more exciting. And yes, corn is rich in vitamin B1, which supports your nervous system and focus. So technically, this hot dog helps you think faster. In street food, the balance of fat and acidity is key. Mayo softens the flavor, mustard adds heat, and pickles plus ketchup bring the acid that resets your taste buds so each bite feels new again. Funny thing is, a hot dog is actually one of the most balanced foods out there. Fat satisfaction, carbs energy, protein recovery, and sugar instant pleasure. Basically, it's a dopamine formula perfect for morning after long nights. That's why it's not just food, it's a reboot. So the pie became the evening, the wine its warmth, and the hot dog is continuation. 3 states: softness, warmth, and energy. Follow me if you want to know not just what to cook, but why it works. And tell me honestly, are you more of wine evening person or a cheesy wins the morning type? Bye bye!